everybody, this is Jay with Classic Reaction. Today is January 29th, 2019. So show you a little bit more progress here. This is our finished wing for our 69 GTO Judge. Very pretty. I've already seen a video of the hood. I've got the scoops just sitting in there now. This one's ready for delivery. That's looking pretty. And over here we've got two finished fenders. Apologize for the bright sun here today. Those will be going out for delivery next day or two here too. So all we've got left to do on this is the front bumper and valance, which will be painted tomorrow. And this one will be on the road to recovery. So once again, thanks for watching my videos. If you like my content, you'd like to see this 69 Judge come to fruition, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and hit that subscribe or the notification bell so you know every time I put up a video. So stay tuned, and thanks again.